How to delete WordPress website from Hostinger. But before that, if you don't know what is Hostinger, it is a global web hosting company that provides a variety of affordable and reliable hosting services, in which it is known for its budget-friendly pricing and strong performance. And the company also offers a range of hosting solutions, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, cloud hosting, and many more. And now, to start using this, all you need to do is simply sign in your account on Hostinger. And to start deleting the WordPress website from here, all you need to do is simply navigate on the left side panel some of the option we have here, this website. By clicking on it, it will show you the list of your website in here. As you can see, I have here my WordPress account. By clicking on it, it will show you my WordPress website in here, which we can simply access. And to delete this one, just simply go back in our Hostinger and click the dashboard button or manage button if you have one in here. And after that, on this page, all you need to do is to navigate here on the left side panel and scroll down until you find the Files option and click File Manager button, and it will show you that you'd also access all the files of single web hosting or this website in here. So gonna click on it and you will be directed on this page, and just simply click this public HTML. By clicking on it, it will show you all of the public files of the website in our WordPress. So simply select all of this, and on the top right corner, just click the delete icon in here. So just click the delete button on this pop-up window. But at this point, I'm not going to delete my WordPress website, but this is basically how it looks like or how to do it. And after deleting the public file, just simply go back to this page, and below, just simply click this databases, and after clicking on it, just proceed by clicking the management button. And it will show you on the right side panel under this management the list of my SQLA database. So can I click these three dots on the right side panel of it and click the delete button to proceed. In which by doing so, you will automatically start deleting the website of your WordPress in here. When you try to refresh this, there should be an error upon refreshing it since it has been deleted. So again, just simply delete the public HTML files in here. And after that, just simply go back on Hostinger dashboard and go to your databases and click management and simply delete the SQL database in here. And deleting a WordPress website on Hostinger has important several reasons, as it helps to enhance security, as outdated website with old plugins, themes, or WordPress version can become vulnerable to hacking and malware attacks. But overall, that is just basically how you can delete WordPress website from Hostinger.